Hello friends, this is me Dr. Abhishek. So in my previous video I spoke how a condition called leaky gut is responsible for many problems including physically and mentally. And today in this video I'll tell you how you can reverse back this condition within 1 week just by understanding few changes in your daily food habit. No need to take any medication. So properly you have to understand what you have to do it. Now there are three main rules you need to learn. What are the mistakes you have done? You understood in my previous video. Now there are three main rules. When you just adopt in your daily food habit, it starts repairing your intestinal membrane, which is actually getting ruptured, and then this leaky gut condition happens. So there is one of the very beautiful quotation which particularly talks about it in Ayurveda. It says, Tam cha nityam prayunjit swasthyam enanuvartate ajatanam vikaranam anupatti chayat. Means each and every day meal is very important. It plays very important role to keep our immunity and vitality. So the food what you're consuming, every time you have to consider it as basically a main food, whether it's going to help you to provide you immunity, vitality, or it is you are eating just because your taste, or you are eating something which is available. So if you consider this quotation and understand what Ayurveda talks about, you will get all clear idea to understand how the food is important to keep us healthy. The purpose is to say is each and every meal is very important. It's not just the food what is available. And if your one meal is not enough even to give you immunity or vitality, or it is not capable to keep you healthy, that means you have to think about and discard that kind of food. You cannot say that I am eating every day healthy food, let's today make some mistakes. It is not at all accepted. So what are the three main rules you have to understand in your daily food habit to correct your gut or leaky gut? Because you are eating a lot of inflammatory food, so that is why your body is not able to work on it. So you will first remove it. The first thing starts from the breakfast. Every morning make sure that you are hungry. Once you are hungry, then only you think about eating. The first meal is going to be your fruits. 3-4 types of fruits. Eat them as much you want, around 300, 400 grams, even 500 grams, as much you like to eat. This is your breakfast. Nothing else is needed. Don't mix these fruits with anything. And now you allow these fruits to get digested. It may take 2 hours, it may take 2.5 hours, depends as much time it takes. Let it get digested completely. Then only think about your other food. So the first meal is your fruits. Second thing is your lunch and dinner. Now make sure that your dinner is not getting late, because the main rule for digestion or keeping good metabolism is if you eat late, metabolism get disturbs, it becomes very weak. So try to finish your dinner around 6 to 7 o'clock and lunch around 12 to 1 o'clock, because you have eaten fruit, so definitely you are hungry during lunchtime. Make sure that you are eating a plate of raw vegetables every time when you eat your meals. So now here you make two types of plates, make plate A and plate B. So here plate A contains around, again same, 300 to 400 grams of raw vegetables. It can be carrot, cucumber, radish, beetroot, whatever is available vegetables. First you have to eat them. You might be eating vegetables every day, raw vegetables, but you are mixing and eating. But here you have to eat these raw vegetables before you touch your other food. Once you finish your raw vegetables, both the time, before lunch and before dinner, then you will eat your other meal. This is very important. The way it is said, the way I am talking, if you start doing it, within 1 week, you see how your system starts working in a proper way. The symptoms of discomfort, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, heaviness, headaches, whatever the symptoms, your pancreas, liver, all organs starts getting better in shape because they are not in load. Easily they are able to digest. So this is the first rule, to work on the way of eating breakfast, lunch and dinner. Second rule is Very important rule. Second rule is once in a week or in 10 days, learn to do fasting. You are eating every day. Now one day you are allowing your gut not to eat anything. As much possible give rest to your liver, your pancreas. So if you can do half of the day of fasting on water, drink as much water you like to drink, and second half, if you are hungry, you cannot tolerate your hunger, you may have some vegetable soups. Still, if you are hungry, you may have some vegetables. But try to be light. If you are okay with fasting on water, that is the best. So do this once in a week or once in a 10 days, this fasting. This is again going to bring out your toxins, allowing your liver to function in a better way. Whatever the fat is accumulating already on your liver, body starts cleaning out. Your blood sugar, cholesterol, everything starts dropping down. You will see you are able to reverse back your many conditions, not only thinking about one or two problems, 100 of problems which are taking place because of your weak gut starts coming back to the normal. So this is the second very important rule. The third important rule is stress. Manage your stress. Stress is one of the major cause to ruin, to disturb our immunity, our mental health, our physical health. How your system handles health, that is how your system handles stress, that is important. Doesn't matter how much stress you have, but the moment when your system is not able to handle this stress, this becomes cause for your sickness or problems. So there are many ways to work on your stress: yoga, meditation, breathing technique, spending time in nature. Whatever the way you like to handle, the way like you do, it's very important to work on it. So managing stress, daily life is going to definitely help you to correct your many problems, either related with physical level or mental level. So these three basic rules: correcting your food, fasting, and working on your stress. If you just follow these basic rules what I said, within 1 week you see most of your problems are coming back to the normal. This is something I have applied on many of my patients. I don't give any medications to them. I just follow these three simple rules and they are getting back to the normal. That is why I have a good response from the people. So thank you so much. Hope you're going to follow this the rules what I said, and you're going to write me the comment.